What's the meaning of accusingly? Accusingly. 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 The word accusingly is an adverb that means in a way that shows that you think somebody has done something wrong. It can be used to describe someone's tone of voice, facial expression, or body language. For example, you might say that someone is looking accusingly at you if they are staring at you with a stern expression and their eyebrows are furrowed. Here are some examples of how the word accusingly can be used in a sentence. The teacher looked accusingly at the student who had been talking in class. The wife glared accusingly at her husband when she found out that he had been cheating on her. The police officer pointed accusingly at the man who had been caught speeding. The word accusingly can be used to create a sense of tension or suspense in a story. It can also be used to add emphasis to a character's feelings of anger, resentment, or betrayal.